Ever wished you could stop copying lead details from Facebook and start automating the entire process in minutes? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect a Facebook lead form with Zapier, so every lead gets handled instantly, no manual work, no headaches. Let's jump right in. Open Zapier's website and head to the login button in the top right. If you already have an account, log in normally. If you're new, signing in with Google is the fastest option and gets you straight to the dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Create button on the homepage. This is where you build what Zapier calls a Zap. A Zap is just an automated workflow made of two parts, a trigger and an action. Click on Zaps to start a new one. For the trigger, choose Facebook Lead Ads. That tells Zapier which app will start your automation. When it asks for an event, select New Lead. This means each time someone submits your Facebook form, Zapier will take action automatically. And at this point, Zapier will ask you to connect to your Facebook account if it's not already linked, sign in, and then run the quick connection test Zapier offers. It only takes a moment and it prevents setup issues later. Once the trigger is locked in, it's time to choose the action, what you want Zapier to do when a new lead comes in. Click on the Action tab and select Email. From the event options, choose Send Outbound Email. This makes Zapier fire off an email notification the moment someone submits your form. It's a simple but powerful way to stay on top of new leads without refreshing any dashboards. Fill in the outgoing email details however you prefer. Maybe it goes to your sales team, your CRM inbox, or directly to you. After that, Zapier will let you run a quick test. Definitely do it. It confirms the email sends exactly the way you expect. If the test looks good, click Publish to make your Zap live. And that's it. Your Facebook lead form is now officially connected to Zapier. From here on out, new leads trigger automatic emails without you lifting a finger. If this walkthrough helped you automate even one step in your business, stick around for more practical guides just like this. I'll be sharing more shortcuts, integrations, and smart workflows to help you save time and grow faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.